So welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. First of all, you need to click on Start Lab. And if you want to enable this, you'll check my progress bar, check the video description. Now just open the Looker Incognito window. Add the username over here. Similarly, do with the password. Now from here, click on this development mode because if you miss this, you won't be able to modify the files. Now once all these things are done, you have to just come to the Explore, Flights, you can see flight details over here. From here, we have to click on carrier and then count flight num. So we have added both these things. Now let's come to the task number one. Okay, these two things are done. Now we have to expand the aircraft origin and click on the city. So aircraft origin, click on it. From here, just click on the city. City has been added. Now we have to flight details in measures and cancel count. So here we will see flight details, measures and cancel count. We have clicked on it. This thing is also done. Now we have to hover over year and just filter by field. So just come over here and where it is, it's present in flight details, arrival date. So from here we have to come year, filter is in the year. This thing is done. Now we have to select 2000 or you can just type it also. I think we have to type only. Once this is done, all things are correct. Now we have to simply run it. Now after that, we have to just, once all the data is loaded, click on the settings and click on the merge result. From here, just select airports. We have to select city and average elevation. City and average elevation. All things are done. After that, we have to run it. What I selected city from here and then average elevation from measures. Now just run it. After that, we have to save it. Okay, just save it. Now, once you have saved it, all things are correct. Now, what we need to do, just run it over here. While it's running, let's read some of the important things. We have to just save it. So just create a dashboard over here and then we'll create the looker. So this is the title for look. Most of you may make this kind of mistake. So just copy it, click on save, save to dashboard, enter the title over here. And after that for the dashboard name, it's airport data. So just copy it carefully, click on new dashboard, paste it, and just save to dashboard. All things are correct. Now simply try to check the score. So you can see we got the score and this is the way we completed the lab. If you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.